Hello and welcome to my new video. In my last video, I discussed ITSM efficiencies, which is about ITSM, the industry leader. This is the second part of ITSM efficiencies, which is about post business process, which includes improved efficiency and productivity, increased customer satisfaction, improved communication, increased powerful collaboration. So let's start with the improved efficiency and productivity. ITSM processes and tools can help streamline IT operation, reducing the time and resource required to deliver services. ITSM stresses on continual improvement to enhance the service experience, improved business alignment that aligns goals backed by reliable services, omni-channel experience, access relevant information, and make support requests from any device at any time from anywhere in the world. ITSM software exists to support business. As such, it needs to be able to grow and change with your business, scaling and accommodate new growth, adapting to changing resolutions and processes, and providing consistent value even as your teams evolve. Boost IT flexibility and agility while focusing on end user functionality and satisfaction. Quickly adapt to change and innovation. Self-service portals. ServiceNow provides self-service portals where user can access IT services and resources, submit requests, and find solutions to common issues without assistance from IT staff. This empowers users to resolve their own problems quickly, freeing up IT resource to focus on more strategic initiatives. Standardized processes. ServiceNow ITSM standardize IT processes and workflow across the organization, ensuring consistency and adherence to best practices. Standardization eliminates ambiguity, reduces errors, and increases efficiency by establishing clear guidelines for performing tasks and handling requests. Automated notification and alerts. ServiceNow ITSM sends automated notifications and alert to relevant stakeholder when certain event occur, such as the assignment of new task or the resolution of incident. These notifications ensure timely communication and action, preventing delays and improving productivity. Resource optimization. ServiceNow ITSM optimize resource allocation by providing visibility into resource availability, workload distribution, and task assignments. By matching tasks with the right resource based on skill sets, availability, and workload, it ensures that resources are utilized efficiently and projects are completed on time. Increased customer satisfaction. By implementing ITSM best practices, organization can better understand and meet the needs of their customers, leading to higher levels of end user satisfaction. Help to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, improve IT quality and predictability, improved availability management, 24 by 7 IT support to perform better and do more. Faster incident detection and issue resolution create effective and customized response quickly before they can become an issue that eventually decrease IT problems, disruptions, and reduce downtime, eliminates a recurring problem which save time and money. ITSM increased client satisfaction can assist your business in delivering a distinct customer experience that is more appropriate for digital era. This enables your business to prioritize the customer demands and view the world through their eyes. Enhanced service delivery. ServiceNow ITSM streamlines IT service delivery processes, ensuring that requests are handled promptly and efficiently. By providing a seamless and responsive experience, ServiceNow helps meet customer expectations and enhance satisfaction levels. Personalized experiences. ServiceNow leverages customer data and preferences to personalize interactions and tailor service to individual needs. By understanding customer preferences, ServiceNow can deliver relevant recommendations, anticipate needs, and provide a more personalized experience that resonates with customers, enhancing satisfaction. Consistent service experience. ServiceNow ensures consistency in service delivery by standardizing process and enforcing service level agreements across the organization. By delivering consistent service experiences, ServiceNow builds trust and reliability, which are essential for maintaining high levels of customer satisfaction. Proactive issue resolution. ServiceNow ITSM uses predictive analytics and automation to identify and address issue before they impact customer. By proactively detecting and resolving issues, ServiceNow minimize disruptions, reduce downtime, and ensures a smooth and seamless experience for customer, thereby enhancing satisfaction. Improved communication. ITSM helps improve communication between IT and rest of organization, making it easier to identify and address issues. Unified cloud access and simplified data accession. Communication management provides information about the current progress of tasks, associated roster, and escalation path. Communication plans include tasks, channels, and contacts and are automatically created and related to a major incident when conditions are met. Automated notifications. ServiceNow ITSM automates communication by sending notifications to stakeholders at different stages of service lifecycle. These notifications keep user informed about the status of their request, changes, incidents, and other service related activities, ensuring transparency and accountability. Real-time chat support. ServiceNow offers real-time chat support capabilities that enable users to engage with IT support agents instantly for assistance and troubleshooting. Real-time chat enhances communication by providing immediate response to user queries, reducing wait times and improving user satisfaction. Broadcast and announcements. ServiceNow allows organization to broadcast important announcements, alerts, and updates to users and stakeholders through targeted communication channels, whether it's informing user about planned maintenance activities or communicating critical incidents. ServiceNow ensures that relevant information reaches the right audience in a timely manner. Then knowledge sharing communities. ServiceNow fosters knowledge sharing and collaboration among users and IT support teams through online communities and forums. By providing a platform for users to share insights, best practices, and solutions to common issues, ServiceNow encourages peer-to-peer communication, accelerates problem resolution, and builds a sense of community. Increased powerful collaboration. Effective collaboration across departments promotes increased efficiency and faster issue resolution. ITSM solution facilitate interdepartmental coordination by providing a single initiative platform for them to work through. Collaboration is critical in business to ensure that consumers receive the greatest value from service management. To address the requirements from corporation, enterprise service management enables multiple business departments to share or collaborate on tasks concurrently. Unified collaboration platform. ServiceNow provides a unified platform for collaboration where teams can work together, share information, and communicate effectively. By consolidating collaboration tools such as chat, email, document sharing, and task management into a single platform, ServiceNow streamlines communication and collaboration workflows, reducing silos and improve productivity. Collaborative workspaces. ServiceNow offers collaborative workspaces where teams can collaborate on project, tasks, and initiatives in a centralized and organized manner. These collaborative workspaces provide a shared space for brainstorming, planning, and tracking progress, fostering teamwork and collaboration across departments and functions. Knowledge sharing and documentation. ServiceNow facilitates knowledge sharing and documentation by providing a centralized uh, repository for storing, organizing, and accessing knowledge articles, documentation, and best practices. By capturing and sharing knowledge within the platform, ServiceNow promotes collaboration, accelerates problem resolution, and improves decision making. Cross-functional collaboration. ServiceNow facilitates cross-functional collaboration by providing tools and workflows that span different departments and functions within an organization, whether it's coordinating change management process, resolving incident, or managing projects. ServiceNow enables teams to collaborate seamlessly across organizational boundaries, promoting alignment and synergy. ServiceNow ITSM boosts business processes by increasing powerful collaboration through a unified collaboration platform, integrated communication channels, collaborative workspace, task assignment and tracking, knowledge sharing and documentation, real-time collaboration tools, task automation and workflows, cross-functional collaboration and feedback and iterative improvement mechanism. By fostering a culture of collaboration and teamwork, ServiceNow help organizations to drive innovation, accelerate problem resolution, and achieve business success. So that's all about Boost business processes. In my next video, I will explain the Panless project management. Thank you.